Welcome back to day 19 of our 30-day trading podcast journey. Today we are exploring a critical but often overlooked part of trading, the finding balance. When you are passionate about trading and focused on achieving success, it's easy to fall into a cycle of long hours, constant screen time and high stress. But without balance, burnout can sneak up on you and impact your performance and even your well-being. Whether you are a full-time trader or balancing trading with another job, today's episode will cover practical ways to prevent burnout, set boundaries and manage both life and trading without sacrificing one for the other. So let's get into it. First, let's look at why balance is essential for the traders. Trading requires mental clarity. Trading is mentally intense. It requires focus, quick decision making and emotional control. When you are overworked or stressed, it's much harder to stay calm and make rational choices. Burnout can cloud your judgment, leading to impulsive decisions and mistakes. Long-term sustainability. If you are trading as a career or side hustle, you want to keep going for years, not just weeks or months. Burnout can cause some traders to quit or lose motivation. To stay in the game long term, it's vital to prioritize self-care and balance. Enhances performance. Balance doesn't just help you avoid exhaustion, it actually makes you a better trader. When you are well rested and mentally refreshed, you are more likely to perform at your best. Research shows that people who take break and manage stress are more effective in high pressure tasks, and trading is no exception. Now, let's dive into some of the practical ways to find balance in your trading routine. Set specific trading hours. If you are trading from home, it can be tempting to watch the markets all day, especially with 24-hour markets like Forex and crypto. But constantly monitoring charts can lead to stress and burnout. Set dedicated trading hours, just as you would with a regular job. Once you are done, step away from your screens and focus on other things. Take regular breaks. Trading can be intense, especially during highly volatile periods. Incorporate short breaks into your routine, especially after each trade or analysis session. A quick walk, some stretching, or just stepping outside a few minutes can help you recharge and prevent mental fatigue. Prioritize the physical health. Physical and mental health go hand in hand. Trading is a sedentary activity, so it's essential to make time for exercise. Whether it's a 15-minute stretch, yoga, or hitting the gym, taking care of your body will help improve focus, reduce stress, and increase energy, all of which are beneficial for trading. Disconnect from trading news. It's important to stay informed, but checking news and markets constantly can lead to stress. Set a time to check it with financial news, then log off. Avoid the habit of constantly scrolling through news feeds or refreshing your trading app. Even with a good balance, trading has its ups and downs, and stress is natural. Let's talk about ways to manage it. Focus on process, not just only the profits. When you are focused and solely on profits, trading becomes high stakes, which adds stress. Instead, focus on improving your process. Set goals around sticking to your strategy, following your risk management rules, and avoid impulsive trades. Measuring your success by progress in these areas rather than just profits can reduce pressure. Set realistic expectations. It's natural to want results fast, but unrealistic expectations can quickly lead to disappointment. Be patient with yourself and understand that consistent profit takes time. Set achievable goals and celebrate small wins along the way. This mindset shift can help you stay motivated without feeling pressurized. Connect with the trading community. Having people to share your journey, which can provide emotional support and new perspectives. Whether online or in person, connect with other traders can give you a sense of and remind you that you are not alone. A trading community can be a great resource for both motivation and advice. Many of us are balancing trading with other roles like a full-time job, school, or family responsibilities. Here are a few tips for keeping everything in harmony. Use a schedule or planner. Allocate specific times for trading and other commitments. Treat this like appointments, so you are focused on each area without overlap. Having a schedule prevents trading from eating into time reserved for other responsibilities and vice versa. Prioritize quality over quantity. You don't need to trade every day to be successful. Focus on finding the high quality setups rather than being in the market constantly. This approach saves time and reduces stress, allowing you to fit trading into a busy schedule more easily. Communicate with friends and family. If you are dedicating a certain time to trading, let your family or friends know. This creates clear boundaries so they know when you are focused on trading and when you are available. And open communications can help you avoid conflicts and balance your trading life with relations. And that's a wrap up on day 19. So today we have covered the importance of finding balance in trading, strategies to avoid burnout, and how to manage stress for long-term success. Remember, trading is a journey, and taking care of your mental and physical health is essential for making that journey sustainable. Tomorrow we are moving into a new unique topic, how to cultivate the patience. Or we will be diving into another topic in trading. Patience is one of the hardest yet most valuable skills for a trader, and yet it's often the key to successful trades and long-term growth. Thank you for tuning in, and if you are enjoying the podcast series, don't forget to subscribe and share it. Take care of yourself, find your balance, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you everyone.